In front of me is OnePlus 9 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then select one of those themes by clicking on a perfect one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. If you want to customize it instead, click on the same icon, use this plus under My Themes and tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right, hit Done, manage key borders and select Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!